Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you 3 last-minute Halloween treat ideas. They aren't healthy at all by any means, but they are super delicious and Halloween is all about those sweets anyways, so I don't actually mind them being not so healthy. For these last-minute Halloween treat ideas, I got some inspiration from other food blogs and I will link the original recipes in the video description below. The first of the last-minute Halloween treat ideas I'm gonna show you is for pumpkin pie truffles that are dressed up as monsters. First up, we will prepare some cream cheese frosting. For this, you want to cream together your butter and cream cheese. Then you will mix in the vanilla extract and last but not least, you will add the powdered sugar. Then you will crumble up a whole loaf of pumpkin bread. For the pumpkin bread, you can basically use any kind of recipe you like, but I would recommend using one that isn't super sweet because we will mix it together with the cream cheese frosting we just prepared. When it's all mixed together, we are going to roll the dough into some truffle-sized balls. After that, you need to chill the pumpkin pie truffles in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours. When your pumpkin pie truffles have chilled in the fridge long enough, you can go ahead and prepare your white chocolate. You can either melt your white chocolate in the microwave or you can use the double boiler method. When your white chocolate is melted, you can either cover your truffles in the white chocolate as it is, or you can mix in some food coloring with your white chocolate. I, for example, used purple and green food coloring. If you want, you can also add some colorful sprinkles or some hard candy eyes to turn your pumpkin pie truffles into monsters. Just have fun and get creative with decorating your pumpkin pie truffles. After decorating, make sure you let the chocolate set at room temperature before devouring your pumpkin pie truffles. For the second of the last-minute Halloween treat ideas, we will be making some Halloween chocolate chip cookies. First up, you will need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then the first step to making your Halloween chocolate chip cookies is to cream together the butter and white and brown sugar. As soon as this gets to a somewhat smooth consistency, you can go ahead and add your egg and vanilla extract to the mixture. After that is mixed in as well, you can add your flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. If you want your Halloween chocolate chip cookies to be extra dark, you can also add in some black food coloring. I also added in some white chocolate chips into the mixture, but of course this step is totally optional. Next, you will need to roll your dough into balls and place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then place your cookies in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. While your Halloween chocolate chip cookies are still warm and a little soft, you can add your remaining toppings. I put on some more white chocolate chips together with orange and brown Smarties. The third and final of the last-minute Halloween treat ideas I'm showing you is for making Halloween mini cheesecakes. Before we start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Then mix your cookie crumbs with the melted butter until well incorporated. After that, press the mixture firmly into a lined muffin tin and set aside. Now we are going to prepare the cheesecake part of our Halloween mini cheesecakes. For this, add the cream cheese into a bowl and whisk until it's a smooth consistency. Then add in your sugar, vanilla extract, and egg and whisk the mixture until everything is well incorporated. The last thing you need to add to the mixture is the sour cream. Now you can fill up the muffin tin with about 2 tablespoons of the cheesecake mixture for each Halloween mini cheesecake. If you want, you can also add some food coloring to switch it up, just like I did. When there is no more of the mixture left, put your Halloween mini cheesecakes in the oven for about 15 to 18 minutes. To decorate your Halloween mini cheesecakes, you need to melt some chocolate. If you want, you can add some black food coloring to the chocolate like I did. I had to use a toothpick to decorate the Halloween mini cheesecakes because the chocolate gets stuck in my DIY piping bag. But you can use whatever works best for you. I hope you enjoyed watching my last minute Halloween treat ideas video, and if you try out one or more of these recipes, please let me know in the comments below how you liked them and make sure to tag me on Instagram on your recreations. Also, if you would like to see more videos like this in the future, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.